Special offer, amazing ground floor apartment with private terrace, only for 139,900. This is, friends, 10 or 15,000 less than the market price. Be quick. Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always, I'm delighted and happy to present you and show you or their clients the best offers and help you with the buy, the sale, and the rent of real estate properties at our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region. I'm walking now to the outside from the Parque Aromatico near La Mata Beach. It's Torre La Mata, and today we will show you one apartment that I already became to sell. We became it already to sell. Very good offer, because today I will show you one ground floor apartment in a nice residential with 2 swimming pools, tennis court, green areas, and this ground floor has private terrace, so you can have your barbecues and enjoy the outside. And about the location, Torre La Mata is one of the best places where you can buy, because we are next to Torrevieja. It's always people living here, it's always busy here, and we're only 1.5 kilometers to La Mata Beach. So we have infrastructure, we have shops, commercial centers, green parks, everything is beautiful. Of nice beach. La Mata is the best beach of Torrevieja city, just 1.5 kilometers, and always people living here, so that makes this place very interesting. Follow me to the inside. So we have 50 square meters terrace, private. So it's not only an apartment, a ground floor apartment, it's an apartment with own and big terrace on which, friends, you can put your barbecue, enjoy. Follow me, please. As it is a corner one, we have extra space here, on which the seller has built an extra storage room. He put the wash machine from the kitchen, he moved it to here to save place. So there's a lot of empty space to storage your things. You will not get it in a regular apartment. On this case, private terrace, 50 square meters, and a storage room. And now we go to the upper part, on which we have this terrace. This is the place, friends, where you can have your breakfast with your family. Why I like it so much, as we stay higher, we can see the park, we can see the green areas, we can see even the sea view with some mountains and Santa Pola by the end there from this spot. So lovely. Imagine having your breakfast here with the whole family. No neighbors, nice views, green area, amazing. We can put the awaiting, open it, and be a little bit more covered from the neighbors that lives in the upper floors. And now follow me, and I will show you this beautiful apartment from inside. So before nothing, I want to remember that we have the east orientation, so we have the sun from the morning until the middle of the day. And now it's 3 o'clock, and it's now behind the buildings, but until 3 o'clock it's sunny, so you will enjoy a sunny terrace in the mornings. On this case, double glass, nice modern windows, so you don't need to change them. It's very good, because to change the windows now, last time, is expensive. It's quite expensive. Good AC machine for warm and cold. It's a modern, nice AC machine. As you see, we have enough space to put a lounge sofa here, have your TV on front, and the dining area on this side here. So it's enough, more than enough space for a holiday apartment. The kitchen, the owner, the seller, has replaced the kitchen for 5 years ago. So the kitchen is also in good condition, it's well kept, You must not to do nothing almost. In this kitchen, we can put a wash disher here or to this hole, and it will be completely prepared. Now, on the left side is the small bedroom with window. Look how beautiful it is. Now it starts to be sunny in this part of the apartment because the sun now is going that way. So in the afternoon, in the evening, you will have sun on this bedroom. That makes it more bright. Good bedroom. The bedroom, it's partly renovated because the seller, well, first of all, I want to mention that we have a window that goes to the place where the storage room is outside. Very good, because not all the bedrooms in Spain have a window. The seller, he did a shower plate here on this case, so it's almost middle renovated. You can just finish the tiles because it's not that expensive. The most expensive thing is to make the shower plate, and it's done recently, is new, and then you have a completely nice renovated bedroom. So it's almost done. Second and main bedroom with nice wardrobe here this side. Very good space. You see it has a big couch, and yeah, we have a window that goes to the nice Parque Aromatico area. No neighbors, green, beautiful view from the bedroom. And now, friends, follow me and you will be surprised by the community that this apartment offers. Follow me. So friends, and now we're inside the community. This is the main gate to enter the community. Is just 20 meters away from the apartment. So from the main street, we're coming inside the community, and this is the first small pool that this community offers. So you can use the both pools, and this is the small one. Follow me and I will show you the big one. Well, friends, here on the left side, we have a green area with grass, perfect to have the children playing there. We have playground for children, tennis court, is everything included in this community. And down there, the second and big pool. It's a very good maintained and it's very nice community. Well, friends, 139,900 euro for this property is a special offer. As I told by the beginning of the video, 10 or 15K less than the market price. Be quick and share this video with your family, friends and lovers. Don't mind to ask me anything about this property. I'll leave you my contact details here, my phone number. You can just write me a message or call me anytime. I will kindly answer all the questions about this property or any other property that is maybe something similar. Subscribe this channel, give us a like, and I wish you all the best. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. See you next time at the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.